All right, slimming my original video from 20 minutes down to 1 minute or close to it. The original power brick and OneX charger on the OneXPlayer. Notice if I'm moving it, the game skips because it's losing connection. Notice how the game is skipping. I cannot show this enough that the game is skipping because this is losing connection. Notice if I leave it alone and it doesn't move, the game does not skip. No skipping. It is only when the cord moves. The USB C port is bad. The other cord to show this with is a razor blade and how it's pulling continuous watts, no matter how much it moves. This cord is good. Even though it is not the original OneXPlayer cord, this cord is amazing. It is good. If I take it out of the razor blade and I plug it into the OneXPlayer, as soon as it moves, it goes to 0, 0, 0. It's losing connection. Losing connection. Losing connection. It is not the cord. It is the USB-C port. The port is bad, not the cord.